We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Klein Tools 60123 bandana, a cooling accessory designed to help users stay comfortable in hot conditions using advanced evaporative PVA technology. This bandana is made of 100% polyester with a specialized PVA material that retains moisture and cools the wearer by evaporative cooling, which feels cooler than the ambient air temperature. It activates quickly, within under a minute of wetting, and can stay cool for hours. The bandana measures 35.5 inches by 2 inches, making it a slim and lightweight accessory that can be tied comfortably around the head or neck. Users appreciate the Klein Cooling Bandana for its ability to make hot working days more bearable. Many reviews highlight how easy it is to activate the cooling effect simply by wetting the bandana and wringing out the excess water. This simplicity is a major plus for those working outdoors or in hot environments where quick relief is needed. The bandana can be reactivated multiple times by re-wetting, and it is machine washable, which adds to its convenience and longevity. The evaporative technology used in the bandana is praised for its rapid cooling effect. Several users report that it feels noticeably cooler than the surrounding air, which helps reduce discomfort during strenuous activities or in high temperatures. This is particularly valuable for professionals who spend long hours outside or in hot conditions, such as construction workers, landscapers, or outdoor enthusiasts. However, some users note that while the bandana absorbs sweat effectively, the cooling sensation may not be strong enough for everyone. A few reviews mention that the bandana contains a limited amount of absorbing material, which can reduce the duration or intensity of the cooling effect for some individuals. This suggests that while the bandana works well for many, those expecting a very intense or prolonged cooling experience might find it somewhat lacking. One unique and heartwarming use case comes from pet owners who have used the bandana on their dogs, especially breeds with thick fur like German Shepherds. These users found that their dogs tolerated wearing the bandana well and that it helped to keep their pets cooler during hot weather. This versatility adds an unexpected benefit to the product, showing it can be useful beyond human use. In terms of comfort and wearability, the bandana is lightweight at just 1 ounce and slim enough to be worn discreetly. The black color and solid pattern make it a neutral choice that fits well with various outfits and work uniforms. The tie closure allows for adjustable fitting, which is important for comfort during extended wear. From a durability perspective, the Klein Tools brand is known for producing professional-grade products, and this cooling bandana is no exception. It is constructed with high-quality PVA material treated with a mild antimicrobial solution to reduce odors and bacteria buildup, although users are advised to wash it before first use to avoid any allergic skin reactions. Overall, the Klein Tools 60123 Cooling Bandana is a practical and effective solution for staying cool in hot conditions. It is especially suitable for professionals and outdoor workers who need a lightweight, easy-to-use cooling accessory that can be reactivated throughout the day. While it may not provide an extreme cooling effect for all users, its convenience, quick activation, and multi-use design make it a valuable tool for combating heat. If you own this bandana, please leave a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description below, and using it supports the channel. Your feedback is important to the community and helps improve future reviews. In summary, the Klein Tools 60123 bandana stands out for its advanced PVA evaporative technology, quick activation, and multi-use capability. It is a lightweight, comfortable, and durable cooling accessory that works well for many users, including some creative applications like pet cooling. While some users desire a stronger cooling effect, the overall consensus is positive with a 4.2 out of 5 stars rating based on 171 customer reviews. This product is a solid choice for anyone looking to stay cool during hot weather or strenuous activities.